Imagine a gentle massage-like way to unlock your spine's full potential. Cherry Health Center offers Intersegmental traction table therapy, a relaxing treatment that involves a specialized table with rolling mechanisms to gently mobilize the spine through passive motion, customizable to your comfort level, and integrated seamlessly with our chiropractic adjustments and physical therapy. You lie face up on the table, which features motorized rollers beneath its surface that travel slowly up and down the length of your spine. These rollers apply rhythmic, wave-like pressure to each vertebral segment, creating a subtle stretching and separating action between the vertebrae. This passive mobilization increases intervertebral disc space, improves nutrient and fluid exchange within the discs, and enhances blood circulation to the surrounding muscles, ligaments, and nerves. The adjustable intensity allows us to tailor it to your specific needs, whether for mild relaxation or deeper therapeutic effects, typically in 10 to 15-minute sessions that feel like a soothing massage. It helps manage acute or chronic neck and back pain, muscle spasms, stiffness from poor posture or injury, reduced spinal range of motion, and issues with balance or strength that arise from spinal misalignments. By increasing blood flow and oxygen to discs, ligaments, and muscles, it accelerates injury recovery, relaxes tight areas to reduce spasms and pain, and restores normal flexibility for better posture and prevention of future problems. Sessions promote faster healing overall, enhancing the results of your care plan without any invasive steps. Just ask how you can start or end your treatment session today with this relaxing massage-like therapy that's covered by most insurance plans. We're honored you've selected Cherry Health Center for your care journey. Your trust inspires us. If intersegmental traction table therapy appeals to you, or you're eager to learn about any of our additional services, just let one of our friendly staff know.